My name is Joverly Nawe and I decided to make a melon, and so I made a div here with the class of melon, and in my CSS let's add some class that is dot melon. Okay, now let's give it a possession with an absolute value to specify the type of positioning for an element, and let's add some top, which is 50%, to specify the amount of the element that is moved from its normal possession, and it's also the same with the left. Let's add some 50%, and let's set the height and width of the properties. So the width would be 320 px, and the height would be 160 px. Okay, now let's use some background property. Background. I choose the salmon color. Oops. To define the background effects, and let's add some border to style the left and right. Okay, border left. Let's give it a 20 px with a solid, let's try green color. Okay, so maybe green is okay. We're making melon, so that's okay. And let's also do the same with the border right. Copy and paste and change left to right. Okay, now we have the right border, and also for the bottom. Okay, now we have borders left, right, and bottom. Now to set now let's try to add some rounder borders to the bottom and left corner to make it look like it's melon that is being cut. Okay, so let's add border bottom left, M left radius. Let's give it with a 200 px, and let's do it the same with the right radius. Okay, now it looks like a smiley. Okay, now let's add some pseudo element to style or insert some content. So that melon before, let's use before. before. There you go. To- Let's uh, let's insert some content, which is nothing. And the same, let's give it a possession of absolute. Again, it's to specify the type of the positioning of an element. And let's give a top of 0 and with a left of negative 20 px. Okay, and still nothing happens, so maybe let's add some width. So let's use calc to calculate the width of our div. It is 50% plus 20 px. Okay, and let's do it same with the height. Oh, okay, let's change this to height. Now let's use some background property to define the background effects. So okay, so what am I messing here? Oh, and there you go. That is why the background, the salmon color is not appearing. There you go. I now have a melon, but we need to uh, change this because it's only 50%. The effects, the background effects. Let's try so that you can see. Let's try to change the color. There, that background color is pink. Okay, so if I'm going to, okay, let's undo that. Okay, so let's change the height into 100% so that it's half of our melon. So now there's a cute little effects for our pseudo. So that's the RGBA. It's the RGBA color values stands for the red, green, and blue color, and within an alpha channel that specify the opacity of the object. So that's the opacity that I have. So that's it. That's my simple melon, and thanks for watching. Bye.